Alright, so hip-hop is a competition. Everybody views himself as better than the next artist. Everyone is harder than the next. So when I heard this track from Big Sean and Kendrick, it was only right to put my twist on it and represent for the East Coast.
Of course.
Skits the Ripple. Stack Deck.
Stack Deck.
The way that I see it, control is a calling to any real hip-hop head, ballin' or starving, to see who's got skills equipped, see who's man or bitch, and who's got the willpower to manifest their manuscript, who's got tough skin, and who's sensitive, and who can shoot back with raps without loading clips. I hit them with bars so hard to make them wanna slit wrist, load pistol grips, press it to their lips and chin and leave their face blown out like it's collagen. Now this part here is where the monsters grin, rub their palms together, saying skits going in. Well, I guess that it's time I get it started then, cause if this is competition and I'm in it to win it, I'm not brainwashing kids with some shit that's demented. If I said it, I meant it. Like Chris Rock said, y'all make it hard to defend it when you're talking meaningless shit. You degrading the women, misleading the children, and making your music with nothing good in it. You just fueling a movement that lets dudes get the credit for wrongdoing. Y'all ruin the sport, make it hard to support. This shit's terrible like smoke from Newports, but we embracing the cancer. Raise the bar high as you want, guarantee I'm my answer. Till my ass is plastered everywhere like churches and pastors. I demolish you bastards like bullets from handguns. Yeah son, you get dismantled, cause I get sick and twisted like the image of Manson. Mentality like Charles Lee Ray, sell your soul on eBay, then treat you like what? Eddie Caputo, blow your building to nothing, no bluffing and visit your funeral. Go hard or go home, you got no backbone and none of your chromosomes. You live in life as a clone. Now most of these rappers just do what they're told, cause record labels tell them that's how music gets sold. Underground artists like myself keep creative control, while you get fishbowled and told which way to go. I ain't no sellout motherfucker, I am keeping my soul. And if you peeping my goals, then you trying to fit in my mold. But this ain't poker, boy, more than your hand can get folded. You need more than Aerosmith to walk this way, it's encoded. Now don't get this twisted, this ain't directed at Kendrick. This shit right here is to whoever's offended. I wrote this, recorded it, and I don't regret it, cause I live and die for music, so I stand to defend it. They telling you how you should live, telling you how you should eat, saying pop Molly, cup up on disease, and you playing this shit on repeat. I'm doing this here for you, I'm doing this here for me, I'm doing this for the suburbs, and I'm doing this for the streets. They telling you how you should live, telling you how you should eat, saying pop Molly, cup up on disease, and you playing this shit on repeat. I'm doing this here for you, I'm doing this here for me, I'm doing this for the suburbs, and I'm doing this for the streets. Love is subtle, often muzzled. People rather say they hate you than just say they fucking love you. Placing fame and cash above you. Isn't that the stupid shit that bug your bucks up in your crew? But you be on it too, there's nothing to do but follow suit. These rappers are saying they're living it up while your rent's past due, pissing you off on the bubble gum when it's stuck to your shoe. But that's up to you what you let it do, and all the stupid shit you pawns feed into. I'm for certain that I'm certainly rocking their noggins purposely, heads moving vertically, cause I'm pen and pad, I'm Hercules. Make most MCs envious, I guess they want to murder me, even though most hip-hop heads have never even heard of me. I'm a superb MC, and you just another hyperbole, stuck up in your zone, sipping syrup so slowly. No homie, you can't control me, a wolf amongst the sheep. If I'm hungry, I'm gonna eat, and that's a guarantee. I go hard as the concrete, then wipe the dirt up off my feet. Dust off shoulders, repeat, because it's nothing to me. I hear them dissing, I dismiss them. I'm stuck up in this hip-hop, yes, I'm trapped up in my vision. How of life that's in my system. I don't pack gats and backpacks, just mad raps and cash stacks. You duck squat like Aflac, bitch, you could have that. Till I call Goose, then I'm calling them troops and getting down with them too, just to do what we do. Now I'm an East Coast rapper with a West Coast flow, so peace to the East and West, cause the best gon' show, but the best don't blow, cause the best is determined by who is next to give dome to the ones that came before. That's why hip-hop is so boring, talent seems so foreign. Thanks for the wake-up call, Kendrick, these motherfuckers will snore, pressing snooze on alarm so I can do the one songs, while your bed sheets soaked in a mess of ski from wet dreams. I'm gone up in your and stretch your neck cause my arms are strong. I'm disturbing your calm with nothing but I'm making a bomb just cause I said it's on. So fuck you and Saddam, Civil Wars, Vietnams, read my palms and see a God. In the flesh I needed this to free some stress, I fiend for this like needles, bitch. I'm a seasoned vet and I need a vent to keep my head. They seem so stressed, they seem upset from the respect that they don't get. I don't care, homie, unless my name's on it. I straight lace this like they laced up your weed, straight lace this like I lace up my sneaks. But I ain't lace up, bitch, cause I ain't MGK. I'm a predator on this mic and on MCs I pray. If you an MC, let's just step out of the way. For peace sake, no debate. I'm bringing heat like D-Wade. You're playing checkers, king me. I'm coming for your throne in the space where your queen be. I know that you see me. You raising a bar, but I'm taking that bar to some place really far. Way beyond Mars, past the clouds and the stars. If you think you hard, then jump on my paw. Where the shit's full of sharks, rip you apart, rip out your heart, make voodoo dolls, break legs and arms. Now run away, dog. You're playing with God. Sound the alarms. Kiss the ripper to represent. I'm stacked deck forever. I'm after fame and fortune. I want my treasure. X marks this spot and I can place it wherever. Make a target out of anyone if you think that you better. They telling you how you should live, telling you how you should eat, saying pop Molly, cup up on disease, and you playing this shit on repeat. I'm doing this here for you, I'm doing this here for me. I'm doing this for the suburbs and I'm doing this for the streets. They telling you how you should live, telling you how you should eat, saying pop Molly, cup up on disease, and you playing this shit on repeat. I'm doing this here for you, I'm doing this here for me. I'm doing this for the suburbs and I'm doing this for the streets. This is competition. If you ain't fit to compete, you better keep your day job or you gon' sleep on the street. I'm a dying breed, yes my breed is unique. I don't tuck tail and run when I think I'm beat. I push harder to go farther, my nuts larger than Coco's. I'm a smarter martyr with verbal slaughter MCs, I'll off you by bolos. You might as well put a microphone where the commode goes. I'm defecating as I compose flows, hold your nose closed as I pose with shitloads. If you inhale what I expose, your body will decompose. In other words, you'll die, cause the shit I be kicking is gross. I'm a mastermind when I'm writing rhymes, take your bread, turn you to toast. I'm not your average MC, homie, I'm flooding the entire coast. Take you to the ocean, then throw you off the boat. Cement shoes up on your feet, brother, let's see if you can float. Not to gloat, but I'm a goat, just ain't been recognized as such. Any guy that claims they tough, you can bet some lives that could be touched. I will take a mic and touch it up as if I had a paintbrush. If you're thinking you're better with words than me, you must have been smoking that angel dust. Stuff I put in speech is what you would hear if angels fuck. Take any random beat and leave the sheets all mangled up. Take your talent, throw it in, take your hat and hang it up. Skits the ripper just begin, I'll take your flow, till tag it up. I've had enough of bragging, but it's time these fags have all got fucked with a metaphorical dick, cause I'm sick and I've had enough. I'm a physical literal brick, and the stuff that you're kicking ain't shit. You're better off juggling razor blades while dancing in traffic, you bitch. Practicing ballet recital, you bitch. High on PCP and dopamine, being pumped through an IV, you bitch. Scratching poison ivy, screaming why me? Don't try me, you bitch. I'm repping at my T, capital SD. You know that I'm German, it's in my nature to roast ya. Hold your composure, cause my flow can split boulders. I'm faster than test the roaster, smell the coffee is Folgers. I just murdered all you vultures with the flow as cold as Nova Scotia. The Rolling Stone to say it's over, it's time that I take what's mine. You only get 15 minutes of fame, homie, it's my time to shine.